Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file KRA returns. First, ensure you have your KRA personal identification number and iTax password ready. Next, gather all relevant financial documents, such as your P9 form for employment income or business records. This preparation is crucial for a smooth filing experience. We will then walk through the iTax portal step by step, making the process clear and straightforward for everyone. Before logging into the iTax portal, it is essential to have all your documents organized. For employed individuals, your P9 form is vital, detailing your gross pay and taxes deducted. Business owners should have a comprehensive record of all income and allowable expenses. This meticulous preparation saves time and prevents errors during the actual filing process, ensuring accuracy and compliance with tax regulations. Once you have your documents ready, log into the iTax portal. Navigate to the eReturns menu and select File Return. Choose your tax obligation, such as Income Tax Resident Individual, and download the pre-filled Excel or ODS form if applicable. Carefully input all figures from your P9 or business records. After validating, submit your return and download the acknowledgement receipt for your records. After successfully submitting your return, always download and securely store the acknowledgement receipt. This serves as proof of your filing. Remember, the deadline for individual income tax returns is typically the 30th of June. Filing late can incur penalties, so plan ahead. If you encounter any complex issues or errors, do not hesitate to seek guidance from a qualified tax advisor for accurate resolution.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.